Have you ever felt like your workout routine is just too boring or repetitive? You are not alone, and the reason might be simpler than you think. I'm excited to share with you my daily routine that has completely transformed my fitness journey, planking and jump roping. Yes, you heard that right. I plank and jump rope every single day. It might sound simple, but trust me, the benefits are incredible. I've been doing this for a while now, and I'm eager to share why I believe it's essential for a healthy lifestyle. Be sure to watch till the end. I have my favorite reason why this workout is so beneficial to our health. I've always been interested in fitness, and my journey began several years ago when I started working out to improve my overall health. I tried various exercises, but I was looking for something that would challenge me and give me noticeable results. That's when I stumbled upon planking and jump roping. I was intrigued by their simplicity and the fact that they could be done anywhere, anytime. I started with short sessions, but as I progressed, I began to incorporate different variations and techniques. I discovered that mixing up my routine kept me engaged and prevented plateaus. For planking, I focus on proper form and engage my core, glutes, and legs. My body position forms a straight line from head to toe, keeping my spine neutral, neck relaxed, and chin tucked in. Place my forearms or hands directly under my shoulders facing forward. One of the key benefits of planking is improved core strength, which has significantly improved my posture and reduced lower back pain. It also enhances my overall stability and balance. Jump roping, on the other hand, has taken my cardiovascular fitness to the next level. I feel more energetic throughout the day, and my endurance has increased substantially. I've also noticed significant improvements in my coordination and agility. Jump roping requires a combination of footwork and hand-eye coordination, which has helped me become more agile and responsive. Another benefit is both exercises are low cost and require minimal equipment, making them accessible to anyone. In terms of techniques, I like to mix up my planking routine with different types of planks, such as side planks and inverted planks. For jump roping, I use a combination of single unders, double unders, and high knees to keep things interesting. If the rope is too much, you can just jump up and down lightly. Imaginary jump roping works just fine. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. As I continue with my daily planking and jump roping routine, I encountered some challenges, especially in the initial stages. There were days when I didn't feel like working out, or when my body felt sore and tired. However, I learned to listen to my body and take rest days when needed. The mental benefits have been just as significant, with increased discipline and motivation. I've experienced a significant boost in my mental health with reduced stress and anxiety levels. The sense of accomplishment I feel after completing my daily workout is incredible, and it sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. I've also noticed improvements in my sleep quality and appetite, which has been a great bonus. While I've had my fair share of pros, I've also encountered some cons. There have been days when I felt like giving up, or when I've experienced muscle soreness. However, I've learned to push through and focus on the bigger picture. Compared to other workout methods, planking and jump roping stand out for their simplicity and effectiveness. They're easy to learn, require minimal equipment, and can be done anywhere. Unlike high-impact exercises that can be tough on the joints, planking and jump roping are low impact and gentle on the body. I've noticed a significant change in my energy levels since incorporating these exercises into my daily routine. My mood has also improved, and I feel more confident in my abilities. Physically, I've seen improvements in my posture, and my overall physique has become more toned. On a personal level, I've experienced a transformation that goes beyond physical appearance. I feel more connected to my body and more in tune with my emotions. I've also noticed I'm more patient and focused, which has helped me in other areas of my life. Now for my favorite reason why I love this workout plan. Depending on your weight, intensity, and individual circumstances, jump roping for 10 minutes a day can burn up to 100 to 200 calories. Planking on a regular basis helps stretch and strengthen muscles in the back, chest, shoulders, and neck, contributing to increased flexibility, helping with low back pain and building those washboard abs. In my opinion, planking and jump roping deserve a solid 9 out of 10. They're easy to incorporate into your daily routine and the benefits are substantial. I highly recommend them to anyone looking to improve their overall fitness and well-being. If you're looking for a simple yet effective workout routine, I encourage you to give planking and jump roping a try. I'd love to hear your experiences with these exercises, so please share your stories in the comments below. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more health and fitness content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.